No matter what industry you're in, if it involves joining metal parts, you need to make sure you're using the most cost-effective process. In today's business climate, it's a competitive necessity. Is controlling costs using a manual process a challenge? Are you experiencing large numbers of rejects or looking to eliminate labor costs? Would you like to cut expenses by increasing throughput while reducing material waste and labor hours? Then automation is the answer. But to do it right, you need brazing and soldering professionals with the resources and expertise to design and build your automated machine. You need a preferred partner who can support your equipment and provide the materials to keep you up and running. For a complete solution, you need Fusion Incorporated. At Fusion, we manufacture, deliver, and support complete brazing and soldering solutions that save your organization money. With manufacturing plants in the US and United Kingdom, we've been providing alloys, applicators, and machines to firms throughout the world for over 90 years. And it all starts with a conversation. When you contact Fusion, we'll take the time to discover the unique details surrounding your application. If you are uncertain how we can save you money, we'll conduct a feasibility study to ensure you'll receive a justifiable payback before you invest. We'll then develop an automated brazing and soldering machine based on your needs. With the Fusion process, joint quality is virtually guaranteed. The process consists of 3 key components: paste filler metals, applicator equipment, and automated machines. We take total responsibility for the entire operation. We'll install the machine, provide the paste filler metals, and offer maintenance support. And we can even reconfigure your machine to adapt to your changing needs. Automating can reduce or eliminate operator involvement, turning out hundreds of parts per hour. You'll dramatically reduce labor costs and eliminate employee exposure to the dangerous brazing temperatures and fluxes used in manual operation. You'll now have a safer process, and since filler metal and flux are applied in a single step in just the right amounts, material costs are completely controlled. Fusion excels in custom-built, automated brazing and soldering machines for your unique application, each made with superior quality standards for complete customer satisfaction. And, judging by the number of brazing and soldering installations we performed, our customers would agree. What can Fusion Incorporated do for your business? For a no-obligation assessment, contact us here to discuss your application. Thank you.